numbers at 6 days online faculty development program on the theme Rethinking and Restructuring an Examination System by Effective Technology, jointly sponsored by AICTE and GTU and organized by Graduate School of Pharmacy. To begin with the inaugural ceremony, I would like to request all in this hall to please rise at their place for our GTU song. Please. Okay. All dignitaries and the participants are requested to please be seated at their place. In continuation with this inaugural ceremony, I would like to request Dr. Rajesh Parikh sir to provide brief about this FDP. Dr. Rajesh Parikh sir is the Director of Graduate School of Pharmacy from 2017 onwards, since the inception of this institute. With this brief introduction, I would like to request sir to please provide a brief note about this FDP.
Namaskar. Honorable Minister of Education Shri Bhupendra Singh Ji Chudasama Sahib, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Naveen Sheth sir, respected Registrar Shri Dr. K.N. Kher sir, my colleague and coordinator of this Faculty Development Program, Professor Dr. Sanjay Chauhan, invited guests, participants of this Faculty Development Program, and faculty members of Graduate School of Pharmacy. It is a matter of great pleasure that Honorable Minister of Education Shri Bhupendra Singh Ji Chudasama Sahib is with us today. It is a reflection of his keen interest and commitment to the cause of education. We are humbled, sir, with your gracious presence. This faculty development program is jointly sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, and Gujarat Technological University. There is a memorandum of understanding between the All India Council for Technical Education and GTU. With as a part of this memorandum of understanding, every academic year, 10 faculty development programs are organized, and this particular faculty development program is a part of this initiative. The theme of this faculty development program is rethinking and restructuring an examination system by effective technology. This faculty development program is organized by Graduate School of Pharmacy. We have received overwhelming response for this faculty development program. However, due to AICTE cap of restricting the number of participants to 100, we have restricted the number of participants to a level of 100. Since the topic of this FDP is applicable to all disciplines, in this faculty development program, we have participants not only from the pharmacy discipline, but from various other cross-disciplinary areas, as well as the people who are associated with the administration aspect of the examination system. The theme is more relevant in the current COVID-19 pandemic. 6 themes are identified for deliberations as a part of this FDP, and these 6 sub-themes include challenges in the pandemic situation, to redesign structure of examination pattern, designing of manuscript, evaluation system and preparation of results. 5th one is online platforms to conduct examination, and the 6th sub-theme is handling of examination documents. These identified sub-themes will be described, deliberated in context of effective technology. We are happy to know that 17 experts have expressed their willingness to serve as a resource person. We are highly thankful to them for accepting our invitation. In addition to this, one session on each day is reserved for participants to present their viewpoints on the themes. Definitely each technical session will be put forward by an expert, and it will be followed by discussion of the expert with the participants. We are all thankful to the participants for their overwhelming response. We express our deep sense of gratitude to all experts for their kind consent as resource person. Graduate School of Pharmacy is committed to the cause of education and research with constant motivation and guidance from our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and Registrar Sir. With the august presence of Honorable Minister of Education Shri Bhupendra Singh Ji, our moral and spirit is further boosted. आप सब महानुभावों ने हार्दिक वंदन, सह भारत माता की जय, धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for introducing this FDP. Now I would like to request Registrar Sir, but it is my privilege to say a few words about Registrar Sir. Dr. K.N. Kher Sir has joined GTU from June 2019 onwards, and previously Sir has also worked for many university like Saurashtra University. With this brief introduction, I would like to request Dr. K.N. Kher Sir to provide a welcome address.
નમસ્કાર, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટુ ઓલ. આજના આ 6 દિવસીય એફડીપી પ્રોગ્રામમાં મુખ્ય અતિથિ તરીકે પધારેલ આપણા ગુજરાત રાજ્યના શિક્ષણ મંત્રી શ્રી માનનીય ભૂપેન્દ્રસિંહ ચુડાસમા સાહેબ, ગુજરાત ટેકનોલોજી યુનિવર્સિટીના કુલપતિ પ્રોફેસર નવીન શેઠ સાહેબ, ડાયરેક્ટર સ્કૂલ ઓફ ફાર્મસી શ્રી આર.એચ. પરીખ સર, પ્રોફેસર સંજય ચૌહાણ સર, all the faculty members of the ગુજરાત ટેકનોલોજીકલ યુનિવર્સિટીઝ સાથે સંકળાયેલી તમામ સંસ્થાઓના પ્રિન્સિપાલ શ્રી, એચઓડી અને પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ્સ. પ્રથમ તો હું ગ્રેજ્યુએટ સ્કૂલ ઓફ ફાર્મસીને અભિનંદન એટલા માટે આપીશ કે એણે પ્રોપર આજની આ કોવિડ પરિસ્થિતિમાં અને પેન્ડેમિક સિચ્યુએશનમાં ખૂબ સરસ વિષય પસંદ કર્યો છે. એઝ ફાર એઝ subject is concerned, it is more administrative than academic. કારણ કે એકેડેમિક ઉપરાંત એક્ઝામિનેશન સિસ્ટમ એ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન સાથે ખૂબ સંકળાયેલી છે. આપણે બધાને ખબર છે કે આજની પરિસ્થિતિઓમાં પરીક્ષા એ દરેક યુનિવર્સિટી માટે એક ચેલેન્જ છે, કેમ કે ઓફલાઈન પરીક્ષાઓનું આયોજન કરવું એ થોડું મુશ્કેલ કોવિડની સ્થિતિને કારણે થઈ રહ્યું છે. અને સાથે સાથે આપણે એ પણ વાસ્તવિકતા સ્વીકારવી પડશે કે આઈટી ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચરની મર્યાદાઓ અને હજુ પણ સોફ્ટવેરની એટલી અદ્યતનતા ન હોવાને કારણે ઓનલાઈન પરીક્ષાઓનું આયોજન કરવું એ પણ દરેક યુનિવર્સિટી માટે ચેલેન્જ છે. પરીક્ષા એ આમ જુઓ તો કોઈ પણ યુનિવર્સિટી એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશનનું હાર્દ છે, કારણ કે સમયસર પરીક્ષાઓનું આયોજન કરવું, સમયસર રિઝલ્ટ જાહેર કરવા, આ બધી જ બાબતો યુનિવર્સિટીની સાથે, યુનિવર્સિટીના વિદ્યાર્થીઓના કેરિયર સાથે ખૂબ નજીકથી સંકળાયેલી બાબત છે. આવી કોવિડની પરિસ્થિતિમાં પણ મને કહેતા આનંદ થાય છે કે માનનીય કુલપતિ શ્રી પ્રોફેસર નવીન શેઠ સરના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ ગુજરાત ટેકનોલોજીકલ યુનિવર્સિટી દ્વારા યુજીસી અને એમએચઆરડી તેમજ ગુજરાત સરકારના શિક્ષણ વિભાગ દ્વારા જે માર્ગદર્શિકાઓ જાહેર કરવામાં આવેલી હતી તે અનુસાર ટર્મિનલ સેમેસ્ટરની તમામ પરીક્ષાઓ એ સમય મર્યાદામાં પૂર્ણ કરવામાં આવી, પેન્ડેમિક સિચ્યુએશન હોવા છતાં. અને મોટાભાગની એટલે 98% વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ટર્મિનલ સેમેસ્ટરના એ જીટીયુમાં ઓનલાઈન પરીક્ષાઓમાં જોડાયા. માત્ર ગુજરાતની જ નહીં પરંતુ ભારતની પણ એવડી મોટી કોઈ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં એટલી મોટી સંખ્યામાં ઓનલાઈન પરીક્ષાઓનું આયોજન થયું હોય એવું ધ્યાનમાં નથી. એવી જ રીતે જીટીયુ દ્વારા પરીક્ષાઓ માટે વિદ્યાર્થીઓની એક્વાયર થાય અથવા તો અવેર થાય, ઓનલાઈન એક્ઝામિનેશનનો ફેલાવો વધે અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને ફેકલ્ટીઓ એનાથી અવેર થાય એ માટે શરૂઆતમાં એક મોક ટેસ્ટનું પણ આયોજન કરવામાં આવેલું હતું. આ પરીક્ષામાં બધી જ ફેકલ્ટીઓના થઈ અને ટોટલ 1,28,000 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ એ પોતાની મોક ટેસ્ટ આપેલી. જીટીયુની પરીક્ષા પદ્ધતિ એ ગુજરાતભરમાં બેનમૂન છે, કારણ કે અમારે ત્યાં પેપર ડિલિવરી સિસ્ટમ, રિઝલ્ટ અને સ્ટુડન્ટ પોર્ટલ મારફત વિદ્યાર્થીઓના એક્ઝામના ફોર્મ ભરવાથી માંડી અને ડિગ્રી એવોર્ડ થાય ત્યાં સુધીની તમામ સિસ્ટમ એ ઓનલાઈન પ્રક્રિયા દ્વારા કરવામાં આવે છે. વિદ્યાર્થીએ માત્ર પોતાના સ્ટુડન્ટ પોર્ટલમાં જઈ અને તમામ એક્ટિવિટી એ માત્ર સ્ટુડન્ટ પોર્ટલના માધ્યમથી જ થઈ શકે છે. કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનું જીટીયુમાંથી પ્રમાણપત્ર મેળવવું હોય, માર્કશીટ મેળવવું હોય, ડુપ્લિકેટ માર્કશીટ હોય, પ્રોવિઝનલ ડિગ્રી હોય કે ટ્રાન્સક્રિપ્ટ હોય કે તેનું રિઝલ્ટ હોય, એ વિદ્યાર્થીએ જીટીયુ ખાતે બિલકુલ આવવાની જરૂરિયાત નથી. અમારી એક્ઝામિનેશન સિસ્ટમ અને આઈટી ટીમે ડેવલપ કરેલા સોફ્ટવેર મારફત જીટીયુ દરેક વિદ્યાર્થીને એન્ડ ટુ એન્ડ સોલ્યુશન છે તે ઓનલાઈન મારફત આપી રહી છે. ફરીથી માનનીય શિક્ષણ મંત્રી શ્રી, માનનીય કુલપતિ શ્રી અને તમામ ટીમને હું વેલકમ કરું છું. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
Thank you, sir, for providing a welcome address in this function. Let me give you a brief on Professor Dr. Naveen Seth, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of GTU. Sir is the VC of GTU from December 2016, a renowned educationist and administrator. Sir has started his academic career way back in 1979 and during the course of time emerged as a tireless academician and herbal scientist. With this brief introduction, I would like to request Professor Dr. Naveen Seth sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of GTU, to provide their valuable address in this function. Sir.
Namaskar, very good morning. Respected Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Bhupendra Singh Ji Chudasama Ji, Director Dr. Rajesh Parikh, Dr. Sanjay Chauhan, Registrar Dr. K.N. Kher, and all those who joined virtually in this FDP arranged with an association with the ICT and GTU. Dr. Kher has already described the objective of this particular topic selected by the Pharmacy School of the GTU for this faculty development program. Now, presently, all over the India, we are discussing about the National Education Policy 2020, and there are a lot of reforms are suggested in this National Education Policy 2020. So examination is also one of the important topic mentioned in this, and they critically mention the word that examination means the evaluation must be with a continuous and comprehensive evaluation. These are the word for examination, continuous and comprehensive. At present, there are a lot of faults in our examination system. We are just evaluating the memory power of the students, and those having the good memory, he is termed as having a good marks, good class, good CGP, SPI. So him considered as a scholar students, considered as a clever students, but it is not the 100% evaluation of the students. Students should be evaluated 360 degree, means their memory, their analytical power, their creativity, so many things. And AICT has worked in this area also. There is on AICT website, you will find the reforms of examination. So a lot of reforms suggested by the committee formed by the AICT, particularly for examination. So GT is also evaluating the students, means we will form the committee is formed, and they will suggest the recommendation, and we will discuss in our academic council, and it will be implemented. So this particular topic is very important, that we have to rethink and restructure the examination system. That only writing descriptive exam, that is not sufficient. Examination at the end of semester, that is not a good thing. The 80% weightage at the end examination, that is not because students are in stress. Whenever there is examination, the students are in highly stress. There is a lot of suicidal and other things are also happen. A lot of psychological problems are also created because of the stress of examination. So that means there is something wrong with our examination system. In the Western countries, there is no such tension of examination to the students, because for each examination, the weightage may be 20%, 25%. Even end examination, only it is a 25%, not more than 25% weightage. Means students is continuously evaluated throughout the year, and that is the correct method, and that so there is no stress. While in our case, the examination at the end of the system, at the end of the year, at the end of the semester, and there is 80% weightage for that examination. That means students are in highly stress. So we have to think it, even for a question paper, that is also a art. The blue taxonomy, that is an important area for how to frame the question paper, because now it is the time of not the inputs but the outputs. Means whichever he studied, which are the objective of that particular subjects, either he will get, means a student is coming out after 3 years or 4 years as a graduate, then which skill he gained. So at present, we can't say anything. That is because of our examination system. Students is not evaluated 360 degree. So this topic will be useful to the faculty, and definitely it will improve the examination of the university system. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to the anchor.
With a valuable address about education system. Now I would like to introduce today's chief guest, Sri Bhupendra C. Chudasama ji. Sir, he is the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Gujarat. It is my privilege to say a few words about our Education Minister. Sir is a member of Legislative Assembly of Gujarat Legislative Assembly. He is currently Minister of Education, Primary, Secondary, Adult, Higher and Technical Education and Law and Parliamentary Affairs Department in the second to the Sri Vijay Rupani sir of the Cabinet. With this brief introduction, I would like to request Honorable Minister of Education, Sri Bhupendra C. Chudasama sir, to provide their valuable address.
श्रीमान नवीन भाई, श्रीमान डॉक्टर खेर, डॉक्टर राजेश भाई, संजय भाई, हमसे जुड़े हुए सभी महानुभाव, गुजराती में हुआ, अंग्रेजी में हुआ, तो फिर राष्ट्रभाषा में क्यों नहीं। आज का ये विषय बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। मेरी मन की बात आपने चुरा ली है। जब से ये पेंडेमिक कोविड देखते ही देखते 8 महीने हो गए, जब भी स्कूल कॉलेज खोलने का विचार करते हैं तो पुनः विचार करना पड़ता है। तो मैं मन ही मन सोच रहा हूं कि ये पेंडेमिक कोविड से सभी क्षेत्रों में भारी नुकसान हुआ है, मगर सभी क्षेत्र ओवर टाइम करके और कोई ना कोई इलाज करके ये डैमेज रिकवर कर लेंगे ही, कोई जल्दी से कोई देरी से। मैं शिक्षा मंत्री के नाते विचार कर रहा हूं कि जो डैमेज, जो नुकसान शिक्षा क्षेत्र में हुआ है, इतना नुकसान और कोई भी क्षेत्र में नहीं हुआ है। ये पढ़ाने का, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने का, देखिए ऑफलाइन भी जब पढ़ाते थे तब भी हमारे क्लास में ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स, एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स, वीक और एवरेज के बीच के स्टूडेंट और वीक स्टूडेंट्स। पर्सनली कुछ पूछने का मौका था, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और फेस रीडिंग करके भी कि यह बच्चा अभी समझ नहीं पा रहा है, तो अध्यापक के नाते या प्लीज आप पूछ सकते हैं। दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूं, मगर इस पेंडेमिक दरमियान हम ऑनलाइन सभी विद्यार्थियों तक पहुंच नहीं पाए। यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज में बच्चे बड़े हैं तो शायद हम 80-90% पहुंच पाए होंगे, लेकिन हायर सेकेंडरी, सेकेंडरी, प्राइमरी और ज्यादा दिक्कत है। तो ये डैमेज रिकवर करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम? ये पीड़ा मेरे मन में अभी चल रही है। और मेजरमेंट ऑफ द एजुकेशन इज एग्जामिनेशन। पास हुए ना पास हुए, दिस इज द मेजरमेंट। इवेल्युएशन मैं आपको धन्यवाद इसीलिए दे रहा हूं कि यही सच्चा टाइम है जो आपने विषय रखा है, रीथिंकिंग एंड रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग एन एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम बाय इफेक्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी। यही अभी करना ही है। मगर जो मैंने बताया कि टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए भी अभी जहां तक हम पहुंच नहीं पाए हैं, उनका भी ख्याल रखना, उनके लिए भी सोच करना, यही टाइम भी है। नवीन भाई ने बहुत अच्छी बात बताई, मगर सालों से पहले से यही मेजरमेंट है कि मेरी मेमोरी शार्प है तो मैं होशियार हूं। पढ़ लिया, लिख लिया, पास हो गया, 95% आ गया। मगर सही इवैल्यूएशन तो स्किल, मेमोरी, क्रिएटिविटी, डिसिप्लिन, ये सब मिलाकर के ही इवैल्यूएशन होना चाहिए, करना चाहिए। मगर आजकल की मानसिकता, विद्यार्थियों की, पेरेंट्स की, सबसे इजी तरीका क्या है और उसी इसी तरीके से जल्दी से पास हो जाकर के फील्ड में जाना है और फिर नौकरी ढूंढ लेना है, नहीं मिले तो आंदोलन करना है। मगर क्यों ना हम ऐसी सिस्टम डेवलप करें, रीथिंक करें, रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग करें। मुझे लगता है कि इसलिए हमें विद्यार्थी संगठनों को बुलाना चाहिए। आपके भविष्य का सवाल है, आपका भविष्य, समाज का भविष्य और देश का भविष्य, एक के साथ दूसरा, दूसरा का साथ तीसरा जुड़ा हुआ है। हम सब सरल रास्ता ही पसंद करेंगे तो हम सब जानते हैं कि मास कॉपी केस आते हैं ना, मास कॉपी केस, ये सरल रास्ता है, पास हो जाते हैं। हमने पिछले 5 साल से रोकने का प्रयत्न भी किया है। तो ये रीथिंकिंग में मैंने 5 साल से इन बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन एंड इन कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन आप भी करते हैं, टैबलेट और कैमरा, जितना याद है लिखो। बाजू वाले विद्यार्थी क्या करते हैं मुझे वही नहीं देखना है। Who allows copy among the students is a good teacher. हम सबको मिलकर देश के लिए विचार करना है। अकेले नरेंद्र भाई सोचे, अकेले विजय भाई सोचे, अकेले नवीन भाई सोचे। आजकल धीरे धीरे इवेल्युएशन का महत्व बढ़ रहा है। इन एवरी सेक्टर ए फैक्टर, quality is appreciated, quality is selected. मैं कभी बोलता हूं कि व्यवस्था, सगवड़ता और गुणवत्ता, तो व्यवस्था का भी ज्ञान, सुविधा का भी ज्ञान और गुणवत्ता का भी। इफ वी वांट टू कॉम्पीट द वर्ल्ड, और जो इसी चैनल से पसार होकर के गए हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि आप 6 दिन तक इसके ऊपर गहन चर्चा विचारणा करेंगे। नॉट ओनली मेमोरी बट स्किल, क्रिएटिविटी एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑल्सो। कभी ऐसा होता है कि सब है, डिसिप्लिन नहीं है। तो आजकल समाज में जहां भी जाओ, who is appreciated by the people? An honest man, a skilled man, a disciplined man, a reliable man, a responsible man has been selected, has been appreciated. तो ये सब पढ़ाई में और परीक्षा में, दोनों में आपने एग्जामिनेशन का ये 6 दिन का आयोजन किया है। मुझे लगता है कि पढ़ाई में भी और परीक्षा दोनों में जिनको कॉलेज में आके कुछ नहीं करना है, उनको पसंद नहीं आएगा। कुछ नहीं करना है, फिर भी पास होना है। मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूं, कुछ नहीं करना है, पढ़ना नहीं है, वातावरण को डिस्टर्ब करना है और पास होके चले जाना है। उनके लिए ये मेरा मार्गदर्शन कठिन लगेगा कि पढ़ाई भी और परीक्षा भी हम सबको मिलकर के धीरे धीरे, दिस इज इन हिज इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो। जो कुटुंब से आ रहा है, माँ बाप का ड्रीम लेकर आ रहा है, उनको भी समझाना होगा कि देखो भैया, दिस इज अ गोल्डन पीरियड, दिस इज अ गोल्डन एज, डोंट वेस्ट इट, यूज इट। मैं तो कभी कभी बोलता हूं कि ये काल में पढ़ाई की तो लोग आपको सैल्यूट करेंगे, इस काल में पढ़ाई नहीं की तो आपको दूसरों को सैल्यूट करना पड़ेगा। सिलेक्ट हार्ड वर्क ड्यूरिंग दिस कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी पीरियड, देन एंड देन पूरा जीवन, आपका पूरा जीवन। तो ये सब करने के लिए पढ़ाई और परीक्षा दोनों बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। कभी ऐसा भी होता है बिना पढ़ाई मैं पास हो जाता हूं, ये भी ठीक नहीं है। पढ़ाई भी होनी चाहिए, परीक्षा भी होनी चाहिए। और परीक्षा में आपने जो रिस्ट्रक्चर और रीथिंकिंग का सोचा है, मैं इसका स्वागत करता हूं। और जो मैंने पहले बताया कि मेरी मन की बात आपने चुरा ली है, मैं बहुत व्यथित हूं। ये बिगड़ा हुआ समय कैसे वापस आएगा शिक्षा में? आप तो कॉलेज में है, यूनिवर्सिटी में है, बट वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी। थिंक फॉर ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर, नॉट ईयर बट स्टैंडर्ड। दूसरी कक्षा का बालक, तीसरी कक्षा का, चौथी, पांचवी का, हाउ कैन ही कवर अप? एकदम कोने में रहता है, वहीं पर कनेक्शन नहीं है, स्मार्टफोन नहीं है। ये सब मिला के हम सबको पढ़ाई के लिए और परीक्षा के लिए बार बार सोचना पड़ेगा। और मेरा ये सुझाव है कि 6 दिन के बाद विद्यार्थी संगठनों को चाय चाय पे बुलाइए, चाय पे समझाइए। कभी भी ऐसा होता है कि मैं अपना भविष्य नहीं देख सकता हूं, कभी कोई चाय पिला के कंधे पे हाथ रख करके, देखो बेटा, दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑन वी आर गोइंग। ये तो 22 साल 25 साल निकल जाएंगे, फिर क्या करोगे? दिस इज द पीरियड। हम जो कुछ कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम तो ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, तनख्वाह पा रहे हैं। हम जो कुछ कर रहे हैं बेटा तेरे लिए कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए कर रहे हैं, सामूहिक रूप से घंटा 2 घंटा। फिर आप निष्कर्ष पर आना। ये क्यों बोल रहा हूं मैं कि आफ्टर ऑल वी हैव टू डील विद दिस स्टूडेंट्स। तो रीथिंकिंग करो, आवश्यक है, रिस्ट्रक्चर करो, आवश्यक है। मगर ये परीक्षा और विद्यार्थी दोनों एक साथ में जाएंगे। अवर इवैल्यूएशन सिस्टम, after rethinking, restructuring, we will think in a global scenario. We will think in a global level. कि now we have to be in 100 in next year. स्टार्टअप में जाना है, इवोल्यूशन में जाना है। आपके मन में ये ग्लोबल लेवल होगा, वो विद्यार्थी के मन में तो उसका संगठन दिखाई देगा, जल्दी से पास होना दिखाई देगा। विदाउट एनी पढ़ाई पास कैसे हो सकते हैं वो दिखाई देगा। वी आर नॉट ओनली टीचर्स। मैं बार बार बोलता हूं कि मैं पेरेंट्स का भी पेरेंट्स हूं, आप भी। कि देख बेटा, आपके पेरेंट्स घर बैठे हैं, मगर मैं आपका वाली इधर बैठा हूं। आई एम नॉट ओनली एन एम्प्लॉय बट आई एम योर पेरेंट ऑल्सो। इस 6 दिन के बाद उनको भी साथ में लिए ये काम हमें करना तो है ही। मगर 6 दिन की आप इतने ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करेंगे, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। ये पेपर आप इंटरनेशनली रखेंगे तो यू विल गेट डिस्टिंक्शंस, बट वी हैव टू इंप्लीमेंट अमॉन्ग दिस मेंटालिटी पीपल। आजकल पेरेंट्स भी हैं कि सब इजी करो, सब इजी करो, जल्दी डॉक्टर बना दो, जल्दी से इंजीनियर बना दो। हम सबको मिल करके ये काम करते हैं। समय थोड़ा ज्यादा मैंने ले लिया है, मगर कभी कभी ही मन की बात करने का मौका मिलता है, और आपने मुझे मन की बात करने का मौका दिया है, इसलिए मैं आप सबका आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद। जय जय गुजरात।
Thank you, sir, to enlighten and guide us with the valuable address on our education system. And thank you also for sharing your valuable time with us and to grace this inaugural ceremony of this faculty development program. Uh, Moving forwards in this occasion to the vote of thanks. In brief, I would like to add Dr. Sanjay Chauhan sir is professor at Graduate School of Pharmacy GTU from 2019 onwards. Sir is director as well as sir is professor and coordinator of this faculty development program. It is requested to sir to please deliver a vote of thanks on this function.
Namaste. Respected Honorable Education Minister Sri Bhupendra C. Chudasama Sahib, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Naveen Seth Sir, respected Registrar Gujarat Technological University Dr. K.N. Kher Sir, Director Graduate School of Pharmacy Dr. R.H. Parikh Sir, respected faculty members and dear participants. I am honored and lucky to give an opportunity for a vote of thanks on this special occasion. As rightly said by our Honorable Education Minister, this is the right time and we have to think about the current situation related to the examination and evaluation systems. So, on this online faculty development program, which is hosted by the Gujarat Graduate School of Pharmacy, Gujarat Technological University, in association with All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. I heartily grateful to our Honorable Minister Sri Bhupendra C. Chudasama ji, where he rightly mentioned about the need for right arrangement, conveniency and quality of the evaluation systems. And sir, we are committed to give a brief report after this completion of 6 days FDP, getting the various views and the suggestions from various experts, how we can rethink and restructuring our examination systems. I also would like to thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir Professor Naveen Seth Sir, for continuous motivation and encouragement for organizing on such a current topics through these virtual faculty development programs. I also would like to thanks to our respected Registrar Dr. K.N. Kher Sir, who has always guiding us and driving through a guidance related to examinations and other systems which is need to be rethink and restructurings. I also express my sincere thanks to Director Dr. R.H. Parikh Sir, Graduate School of Pharmacy, and the staff members who are associated for making this FDP successful, and all the participants who has joined virtually. We have the limitation of the participations. We are getting the very overwhelming response for the registration, but to committed for the quality and purposeful learning, the numbers are very few, but in next time if it is required, we can again rearrange such kind of the FDP. So at the last, I thanks to all the participants and AICT and Graduate School of Pharmacy, Gujarat Technological University for making this event memorable and successful. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for delivering vote of thanks. Now, in the conclusion of today's function, it is our privilege to sing the national anthem all together. I would like to request all to please rise at the place for the national anthem.
ધોની બેન વાગીએ તો બરાબર, નહીં તો આપણે જાતે ગઈશું, બરાબર.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thanks to all the participants. Please be seated. Thanks to all the participants for joining us in the inauguration ceremony of 6 days online FDP. Once again, thank you all, and this is to inform to all the participants of this FDP that our today's first session will be starting as per the scheduled time. All participants are requested to kindly join again for the online sessions of FDP. Thank you.